Back again with a new video of Ambience Mall. I hope you guys like the part 1.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lost in Northeast. So this is the second part of the last video. Today's video is mostly about the toy store in Ambience Mall, and the name of the store is Hamleys. It is a great place where anyone can enjoy their childhood. It is a place where even an adult can have fun and release their inner child and enjoy to their heart's content. I hope everyone is doing great. So without any further delay, let's start the video now.
This is the store I was talking about. Let's get inside the kids' freaking zone. The store is well laid out, which eases shopping and selection for the kids and parents as well. International brands availability has added to the excitement of the children. Now tell me, who doesn't love a minion, huh? The best part about this place is the awesome touch and feel factor that one can experience. Spacious outlets, and they have a great variety of toys which the kids can play with before buying. You can spend time just trying different toys they have. You just can't get bored of this place. Meet MIKO 2. An advanced personal robot for kids. MIKO 2 engages, educates and entertains kids. It's a child-safe personal robot that can see, hear, sense and remember your child's moods. Every interaction with MIKO 2 makes your child smarter and happier. It offers the kids the best, latest and variety of options of games, toys, candy and whatnot.
Oh shit. I want one of these, man.
Though it's a bit expensive for people looking for something in less budget, but you will get more variety of toys under one roof. Take around at least 2 hours if you want to have an amazing experience. You definitely feel nostalgic. There's always an inner child in us, so let's give it a try. Let's play with this kiddo. Personally, I really think you should visit this place to hang around like a kid. For more information about this store, go to my description below. I would like to give you some more information about this mall. Its parking space can accommodate about 4,000 vehicles at a time. Just think about it. And this mall has also won the Best Shopping Center of the Year and Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year awards.
La Senja.
some of the famous brands which I forgot to mention in the last video are Louis Philippe, Springfield, Wrangler, Will's Lifestyle, UCB, Lee, Flying Machine, and H&M, of course, Zara, Weekender, Zap, Arches Gallery, MAC, Canon, Aljo, Bata, Catwalk, Charles & Kit, Clarks, and many more. Let's check out the Zara store now. Zara and H&M are in fierce competition. Well, I have tried my best to show you every corner of this mall.
Excellent.
H&M once more. Once more H&M. Armani exchange. Oh yeah. So one sticker, right, brother? Okay, let's just leave it to the kids. Beep, beep, beep.
Well, I hope you will visit this mall sometime soon after all this lockdown thing is over.
DC. Forever new.
Let me know about your favorite brand in my comment section below, and I hope you guys like the video and show some love, people. Share with your friends, give a thumbs up, and do subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you.
McDonald's cover story. Iconic.